What's up, everybody? This is T-Dubb from T-Dubb BBQ. Thank you for joining my channel, and today we're going to do a burn-in of my brand new Weber 22-inch kettle. So sit back and enjoy, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. We're going to do that burn-in and seasoning, first time use of the Weber Kettle. Paper towel. Also, make sure to wipe down the bottom grate, get that nice and covered as well. And these are the char rails. The Webers now come with char rails instead of baskets. Make sure you get these covered as well. These are pretty cool. I probably should have showed how I attach them to the bottom grate, but it's pretty easy. And also make sure you get the lid wiped down nice and even as well. Today I'm using a chimney, so I got my fire starter lit, and I got a chimney full of charcoal. Once these were halfway ashed over, I just dumped them on both sides of the grill and got that temperature up to about 400 degrees. And then I added the top rack and the warming rack. Got those oiled down as well. I closed the lid and ran it for about 30 minutes. Okay, the first cook is going to be a whole chicken, one half cut into sections and the other half left as a whole half. The sections I will be using Tony salt free and also Mrs. Dash, and also I will be using Sweet Charlene's on the whole half. I use low sodium and no salt ingredients because, well, I did a 12-hour brine. As you can see, I've added a drip tray. This makes cleanup so much easier as it catches the drippings as soon as they fall from the meat to the grill. And when you're done, you're able to just throw that away. Also for this cook, I am using a pecan wood chunk on one side and a post oak wood chunk on the other side. I'm trying to see what type of smoke I get if I use the dual hot zone instead of the traditional one side. So just hang out with me, we'll see how this turns out. So far she's looking good and definitely smelling good. And I put these pieces on over direct heat to get a little charring. And here's the finished product. I was able to get the skin nice and crisp, and these were very flavorful.